Let's learn English alphabets with me. A for ant, B for barn, C for car, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice, J for jam, K for key, L for lemon, M for mushroom, N for nest, O for owl, P for pig, Q for queen, R for rocket, S for snake, T for turtle, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yacht, Z for zebra.